Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix Blink camera cannot connect to Alexa. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so I'm on the official Blink website. So to troubleshoot the Blink smart home Alexa skill, so you have to disable your Blink camera, and then you have to just reset it. So link your Blink and Alexa accounts in the Blink app. You must do this before you can enable the Blink smart house skill. The latest version of the Blink and Alexa app, you should have that, and make sure your app and everything is updated, and then just try resetting your camera and it should fix your problem. So yeah guys, this is how you can possibly fix your problem. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.